Hi, thank you for stopping by, and this video is not about this, alright? So don't get too enamored by the color of these chilies. They are purple in color, and I've already made a video out of these. And in fact, not just a video, I've had one today. So the texture of and the magnitude of spice is almost as good as the yellow chilies that I have in my kitchen garden, but the texture is slightly different. I don't know how to explain it. I made a separate video about this one, and this is just for 30 rupees. I have no benefits, no profits. I'm just telling you the cost at which I bought it, and you can buy it as well. So the people from whom I bought it are very close to Akshardham. So if in case you are in Delhi and NCR, just visit that main road, which is the widest road before East Delhi starts off, before East Delhi begins, Mayur Vihar, etc. So I think as soon as you take that right from the flyover which takes you towards Akshardham, that's the exact location I'm talking about. The road starts probably in about 100 meters or so. You find the first bunch of people selling these. There are many bunches. There are basically many groups of people selling these kind of plants out there. So anyway, let's now get down to the main point, why I changed the name of the channel. The earlier name of the channel was The Utopian Garden, and thank you so much for liking it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm getting a pretty decent response right from the onset, right from the beginning. As I said, I'm happy about it, and I'm sure it's going to grow depending on the kind of content I'll provide to you people. And if you like it, obviously it is destined to grow. I will try my best to be honest with you, as honest as I can, to an extent of 100%. I will not try to hide any detail with regard to gardening and everything else, because that is my expertise at the moment. That is what I can talk about. So that's why I'm talking about this. I don't want to lie to you and create some other theme. So this is a theme I'm focusing on because during the lockdown I got really interested in creating my own kitchen garden, and eventually as I've said in a couple of other videos, I'll transition from this basic setup into a semi-commercial one, and then eventually a commercial one. Take up probably an acre farm or a hectare of farmland, and then start to do my own thing. But that probably will come another 6 months to a year down the line, and I'll obviously share my progress with you people. So don't get too enamored by the color of these chilies. Actually, I personally am getting. So anyway, so the agenda or the main purpose of changing the channel name was because I think I will eventually turn into an urban farmer. So that is the main goal, and that will obviously be my alternate source of income, not like the major source of income unless of course a year or 2 years down the line becomes like the main source of income, wherein I'm moving swiftly towards the target of making this as the primary source of my income. But at the moment, this is just secondary source of income, which will start to happen 3 to 6 months, 3 months or so down the line, not now, because since the last 4 months or so I've just been learning about urban farming, or you can say about terrace farming and lawn farming, garden farming, etc., balcony kitchen garden. And that is how I'm able to share some of those details with you, because I think you people also deserve to know. All those people who are getting keener by the day and who've started to kind of realize that you need to have your own kitchen garden, you need to have your own produce, because of the kind of time period we have been going through. There was a lockdown for good 2 months or so, and a lot of people were struggling to buy their essentials, and some of the people who had already had a kitchen garden would not be struggling. Actually, that's what I saw in some of the videos actually on YouTube, as well as read articles about it, that people who have their own kitchen gardens are not really going out too much to buy their veggies. They are self-sufficient in a way for all the food they have to eat all through the day. So this is my point basically of changing the name of the channel, because I want to transition from a regular kitchen garden kind of an arrangement into a semi-commercial and commercial sort of urban farming, which will be very close to the place I reside in, South Delhi. Semi-commercial, why I say semi-commercial is because the place where I live in has a big area. So it has a big area, so which basically means I can do semi-commercial activities related to farming out here, and then eventually move on to a farmhouse, which is about not really farmhouse but into a farmland, which is about a hectare or so, or maybe 5,000 square meter, something like that. So that's more like a test bed that I have around where I live in. It's more like a test bed mainly because of the fact that the area is good enough and I can practice growing a lot of vegetables from here on, and of course fruits that I love. So first of all, the idea is to grow a lot of vegetables that I love, a lot of exotic fruits and vegetables that people love, and eventually move on to commercial farming full-fledged, maybe after a year or so. So I hope I was able to clarify why I changed the name to a urban farmer, because I love the word kisan and farmer in English, because I think those are the hands that feed us. So I would love to be the hands who end up feeding several families in a span of another 6 months to a year or so. I mean, I don't want to be arrogant about it, but I'd love to do something like that, honestly, because I haven't done anything like this ever before in my lifetime. So yes, I would love to do that. I'm not really too old, but I don't know why I've got this interest altogether towards urban farming, hence the name Urban Farmer. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for all the appreciation and liking you're giving, and all the love that you're giving to my channel and my videos. Ensure that you stay tuned and you stay updated. I release a video every day, once every day, and that's the purpose for the next month or two. So I'll try to do that as much as I can. I try to be regular with it. So there are other things that I'm involved with, but nonetheless, thank you once again, and have a final look at these purple chilies before I shut down the video. You can have a look how beautiful they look from various angles, of course. So once again, thank you so much. Take care, God bless, and keep smiling.